Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're tackling a massive question, one that I think we all wonder about when we see true greatness. Is it a gift or is it earned?
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You see an incredible artist, a brilliant programmer, or a star athlete, and it's so easy to just think, wow, they're just a natural. It almost feels like they have some secret cheat code they were born with.
I mean, this is the age-old question, really. But today, we're going to try and cut through all the noise. And we're going to do that by digging into the powerful difference between two words we throw around all the time and often confuse: talent and skill. Okay, so to really get to the bottom of this, we've got to make sure we're all on the same page. Let's get our definition straight. First up, let's talk about talent. Think of this as your genetic lottery ticket. Seriously, it's that raw, inborn potential you have for something before you've even put in any of the work. You know, someone might just have a natural ear for music or a knack for seeing patterns in numbers. That's talent. It's the head start.
Now, skill's a whole different ballgame. Skill isn't something you're given. It's something you build. It's the direct result of all those hours of practice, of messing up and trying again, of focused, deliberate effort. Skill is what you earn, and it's what turns that raw potential into something real, something tangible.
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. Let's put these two ideas side by side and see how they stack up. So look at this. Their origin stories are completely different. Talent is innate, it's something you're born with. Skill is learned, something you acquire. You discover a talent, but you build a skill. And this last part is key. Talent might give you a head start, but skill is the actual path to mastery. I mean, think about Michael Jordan. Obviously, the guy had insane natural talent, but is that what made him a legend? No way. It was his infamous, almost obsessive work ethic, those thousands and thousands of hours in the gym, perfecting every single move. His talent got his foot in the door, but it was the skill he built that made him the greatest of all time.
So, the goal here isn't to say talent doesn't matter. It's not a big battle of talent versus skill. The real magic, the secret sauce, happens when you understand how they form this incredibly powerful partnership. This is honestly the perfect way to think about it. Talent is the initial spark. It's bright, it gets noticed, but a spark all by itself, well, it fizzles out pretty fast. Skill is the fire. Skill is what you do to nurture that spark, to feed it, to build it into a roaring fire that can actually last.
And this path right here just drives that point home. Look at it. Talent is only the very first step. It's the starting block. But the rest of the journey, the hard part, the part that actually gets you to the finish line, that's all skill. It's the deliberate practice, the hours you log, the lessons you learn from experience. So you see, skill is the engine. It's what drives you from just having potential to actually achieving mastery.
And that brings us to the most important part of this whole conversation. What does this actually mean for you?
I absolutely love this idea. Just think about it for a second. Your talent might set your starting point, your floor, but it's your commitment to building skill that determines your ceiling, how high you can ultimately go. This is so empowering because it means your potential isn't limited by what you were born with. It's defined by what you're willing to work for. So, let's wrap this up with the key takeaways. First, and this is the big one, focus on what you can actually build, and that's your skill. Second, remember that mastery isn't a birthright. It's a product of deliberate effort. Third, realize that your potential for growth is completely in your control. And finally, see talent for what it really is. It's a great starting point, but it is not your destiny.
And that leaves us with one final question for you. Knowing that your ceiling is determined not by chance, but by your choice and your effort, what skill will you decide to build? What fire will you choose to create? The power truly is yours.